Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Avantree Aria, which are over-your-ear style earphones. These have active noise cancelling, rich stereo sound, NFC function and a detachable microphone. There's also a built-in microphone, so you can answer calls without using the detachable microphone, which is nice for taking calls while walking. The Bluetooth version is 4.1. Let's just open it up and see what we get. Inside we have a user manual in English, German, French, Italian and Spanish. If you order before 31st December, you'll get a $5 discount, so use this promo code if you decide to order one. If you buy 4 Avantree products, you get one for free, so check that out as well if you're interested. So it comes in a nice carry case with the Avantree logo on the front, and this will provide some extra protection compared to using a pouch or nothing at all. It also makes it easier to bring the accessories. On the side is a little strap for securing it around your wrist, and this is nice if you don't have a bag or something to put it in. Inside here everything is packed as compact as possible. We have the headphones themselves, the detachable microphone, and up in the corner is a little pocket with the cables. We have a micro USB cable for charging, so sadly there's no USB-C this time, and a 3.5mm jack for wired audio. The flexible microphone uses a 3.5mm jack to connect to the headphones, and it's got a mute switch, so you can easily mute calls directly on the microphone, which is great, so we don't have to fiddle around the headphones searching for the correct button. It can also be bent in whatever angle you want. The headphones themselves are made of plastic, but the build quality feels good. They're also not very big, and they can be put in a position like this to fit more compactly into the carry case. On the inside of each headphone, it's marked which side it is. Both headphones also swivel, so they sit very comfortably around the ears. From the side we can see that there's a slight angle between the headband and the headphones, so we can easily see which one is the left or right one. The size is of course also adjustable, so getting the correct fit is easy by pulling the headbands. Along the edge of both headphones are all the control buttons, and they're placed where your thumb will naturally fall when you're touching the headphones. We have a button for answering calls, and the same button is used to start the Google Assistant or Siri. There's a mute button for the microphone, a ANC switch to turn on or off the active noise cancelling. There's a 3.5mm jack for using the earphones with a wired connection, and this is also where the detachable microphone goes. On the right side we have the control buttons for music. You have a play and pause button, volume controls up and down, and the same buttons are used to switch songs back and forward. This is the power switch, and moving it one level will turn the headphones on, and holding it down will turn on pairing mode.
Goodbye.
And last is the micro USB port for charging, and what I think is the built-in microphone. On the side we have a Avantree logo. The headbands are very flexible, so they will not break easily. And on the inside of it is a soft foam layer for extra comfort. It is very soft and nice to wear. The cushions are also very soft and feels like some kind of memory foam. I have been wearing these for up to 7 hours at a time, and they are very comfortable. They are what's called over-the-ear style, which means the ear will be inside, so there's nothing that presses directly on the ear while wearing them. I really like that the microphone can be attached only when I actually need it, and for the rest of the time I can completely remove it. Like I mentioned before, there's also a built-in microphone, and it's quite good, so there's no problem using it. The external microphone is quite a bit better, so if I do a lot of calls, I'll use this one. To charge the headphones, just connect the cable like this, and when they're full, the light will start blinking. The pairing process is easy, just turn them on and hold the switch for a couple of seconds until the light starts blinking with a red and blue color. select it on the phone and we're done. They will also reconnect automatically the next time we switch them on. To control music, we can use the plus button to increase the volume, or hold it to go to the next song. The middle button is for play and pause. The minus button is for decreasing the volume and going to the previous song. These controls are on the right headphone. On the left one, we can answer calls or open the assistant. The Avantree Aria is very comfortable to wear, even for many hours at a time. I did not feel any discomfort on or around the ears, so the cushions work very well, both around the ears and on top of the head. The sound quality is quite good. The highs are crisp, clean and comfortable. The mids sound a little bit muffled, but it can somehow be fixed by fiddling a bit with the equalizer, so it's not bad at all. The bass is good and punchy, it also goes very deep and has a nice rumble to it. So overall, I'm happy with the sound quality. The Bluetooth connection has also been perfectly stable all the time, without any drops or any other problems at all. The microphones are also quite good. The built-in microphone sounds a little bit distant, but it's still good enough for calls. But if you do a lot of calls, I recommend using the detachable microphone. And it's very nice and clear. Here are a couple of examples I recorded from the microphones. And I'm talking with a normal voice here, not very loud, so you can listen yourself. This is a microphone test of the Avantree Aria AS90 without the external microphone attached. Microphone test with detachable microphone. 1, 2, 3. The battery is very good and will last up to 35 hours, which is very nice at this price point. The active noise cancelling also works very well, and it easily removes all fine noises from my office, and I like that there's a physical button to switch it on or off. The only negative is that the Bluetooth must be on for the ANC to work, which I assume will draw a bit extra from the battery. The carry case is also very nice to have. It's quite compact, which means the headphone's length adjustments must be in the lowest position to fit in the case. It also has dedicated places for the detachable microphone and cables. So overall, a very nice product at a good price. So check out the link in the description if you're interested in this product. That's it from my review. If you liked the video, click that like button and maybe consider subscribing for more. Have a nice day. Bye bye.